Hello, what's up, good people? It's your boy Decent again. So today I've got a topic on how do you restore that lost hope. Yes, I know you guys, life happens. Yes, what am I saying? Life happens. What do I mean by life happens? Things happen, illness falls, you get a divorce, job just get terminated anytime without you even planning. Your close friend dies, your close relatives dies. Yes, each and everyone has been in such situation, and guys, I know how it feels. It's so painful and it's so draining, up to the extent that some other time you might think of taking your life. You just get an unexpected illness. All those kind of things happens. So how do you restore the lost hope? So a lot of people have been through something that has been very difficult for them, and you might be the one that is suffering from that at the moment, and you are actually thinking of how can I restore that lost hope that has been in me, and now I don't have any idea. I'm speechless. Yes, my closet, the person that I trusted disappointed me. The person that I really loved with all my heart has divorced me. Right now I'm somewhere nowhere to be found. How do I restore that lost hope? So I've got some few pointers that I have that I think is going to help you. So number one, you have to accept the situation. Yes, I know some of you might be saying, accept. Yes, accept. Acceptance is the first step for you to solve or to retain that lost hope that you have. Accept this is the situation. Number two, understand that each and every person undergoes this. Yes, each and every person undergoes such things like that. So which leads us to number three, that you really have to have faith and believe in yourself, in your ability to rise again. Yes, remember that your situation doesn't determine you. You are not defined by your situation. You are actually the creator. Yes, God created you in his own image, meaning that you are a mini creator. You can also create something. You get it? Because you were created in God's image. So you now start to create, to find some solutions on solving that situation that you have. You get what I'm saying? Number four, find people, a supportive group that is going to understand your situation, or someone that has been in such a situation, and that you are going to create and build some hope into your life. It might be close friends, relatives, or someone who has been through what you've been through, and now these people are there to mold you, to make you believe, to make that lost hope come back again. Yes, believe in yourself. You can do it. Find people who are supportive, people who really help you, people who give you that direction that you want. I know I need to achieve this by this time. You see, those people are the people who say, no, it's just that thing. You guys, be grateful that God has given you another chance. You are still alive. You are not dead. So believe that God loves you. Each and everything happens for its own reason. So guys, these are some few tips that I thought might be helping you to restore that lost hope that you had. Thank you so much for this one. Let's meet in the next one. It's your boy Decent.